How to delete Instagram data on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Instagram application on your iPhone. Go to your profile at the bottom as shown, then tap the three-line menu icon at the top right. From Settings and Activity, select your activity. This page lets you manage your interactions. Scroll down and tap on Recently Deleted. You can view your recently deleted content here. Open an item and tap the three dots at the top right. From the menu, tap on Delete and then tap Delete again to permanently remove the content. Alternatively, open up the Settings app, go to General, and select iPhone Storage. Scroll through the app list, find Instagram, and tap on it. Here, you can either offload app or delete app. To remove all data, tap on Delete app and confirm. This erases the application and all related data from your device. Following these steps, you can easily delete Instagram data on an iPhone.